All right, now, just for fun, I'm going to send some Doge from my Coinomi wallet to this paper wallet that you can see here on the slide. And I'm going to leave there the Doge. If you want to go there and withdraw it, because you have access to the private key, feel free to do it. Or if you want to do a small donation to this address, feel free to do it. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to, let me maybe move myself a little bit to this side. Okay. Yes, good. And I'm going to click send there. And I'm going to click the QR code option. And I'm going to scan. Oh, this is interesting. It's like invisible phone. How funny is this? Okay, I'm going to scan this QR code of the this QR code here, right? I'm going to scan it with my QR codes with my wallet, Coinomi wallet. Okay, and now I need to select the currency. I select Dogecoin, and I'm going to transfer 25 Doge. Okay, and click continue. I'm going to 25, continue, and he's going to ask me to confirm the transaction. Confirm. I need to type my password. Okay, and I've just sent the 25 Doge, or 26 actually, it's 25 plus 1 Doge of transaction fee. I've sent to this wallet that you can see here, this paper wallet. So the transaction is confirmed. It took like, actually this one was quite fast, it took like 15 seconds to confirm the transaction. So now what we can do is we can, you can check this wallet address here. I'm going to minimize myself again. So what you can do now is to check this wallet address. You can scan it and check on the Dogecoin Explorer, or you can use the private key to withdraw the funds. So I think it's a fun way actually to give you some additional hands-on experience on this course, is that you can just go ahead and try to use this Dogecoin that I've just deposited in this paper wallet. So good luck, and I hope it's a fun hands-on assignment for this course.